Trello also allows you to work with labels, although not exactly the way that you might expect. This is very in line with the visual nature of Trello and the boards and the lists and the cards. Now, to assign labels to any task and a card, just open the card of the task, and here in the buttons you'll have labels. Now, here are the labels. Basically, they're colors, and you can click on any of them and assign. You can assign as many color labels as you want to a card. If you click on it again, it'll go away. So you can actually assign any activity or status to any color. Just agree it with your team, and then that way you can color code each of the task cards as you progress through your project. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to close this and I'm going to go to the board menu just to get a sense of assigning labels from an overview perspective. And what I'll do here is I'll go to more, and here in more I have the labels. So what I'll do here is not just review the label colors, but I'm going to edit them. And here, the green, for example, let's assign a completed text. And I save that. And now it's not just the color, but the actual text. And let's say here that the green is in progress. I already have it. Let's say that the red is not started. And let's say that the orange is pending. Okay, so you can use as many labels as you need to. You don't need to use them all. You can always create new ones with additional colors here, but I'm not going to do that right now. So I already have created these 4. So I'm going to close this. And now here's well, let's go back here to the card. And I'll go back here to labels. And with my mouse, I can actually assign, for example, this one is going to be in progress, but it's also pending because maybe I need approval from somebody else. And if I close that, so there I have my colors. Now, a great little quick tip here is if you hover your mouse, you can also access your labels from your keyboard. So this is to say, let me show you here. So the green, the one that's on the top, this is number 1 on your keyboard. This is number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. So you can get to them by pressing the numbers on your keyboard. So all I need to do is place my mouse. I don't click. I just place it on the card. And then 1 on the keyboard is green. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, I don't have a 7 assigned yet, so I would need to create that. But that's a very easy way to assign labels to a card. If I need to take them away, I just press the numbers again for that specific color. So let's say 3 and 2. So there, now this one is also in progress but pending. Let's say that the right topic instructions is completed now. So that's a 1. So this is just another way of assigning status to each card. Very common in Trello is to have lists and to move your cards as they are completed here. But another one would be to use labels. Now, this is just one way of using labels. You can actually use labels any way you want. It really depends on how you organize your flow of productivity with your team members to use either lists or labels.